how are you? Guess where I am? Hulaan nyo guys, kung nasaan ako. I'm in Vietnam. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not in Vietnam. I'm inside a Vietnamese mall called Asian Garden Mall, and I'm just waiting for Austin. Kasi guys, for 3 months out of the year, they have a night market in front of their mall. So we go there. Kasi para ka nagpunta sa Vietnam without the plane ticket. So ayan. So we're just waiting for Austin. So anyways guys, kamusta na kayo? Ano nang balita? Hindi naman ako kasi guys masyado nag-vlog kasi wala namang ganap dito masyado. So ayoko naman na ma-bored kayo. Teka nga, hanapin na natin si Austin. Nagpunta siya dito tapos biglang nawala. So ayan. So ayoko naman na ma-bored kayo guys kasi wala naman talagang masyadong happenings. I don't know where he went. So ito yung mga food nila guys, oh. So ayun, ito lang yung buhay dito sa States. Simple lang. You know, papasyal-pasyal. And then, just relaxing. Staying away from stress. Oh, you're here! Mag-hi ka sa guys. Saan ka nagpunta? Nag-restroom ka? I was like, where did he go? So anyways guys, ito mukhang masarap yung food nila. So anyways guys, since pupunta kami dito, sabi ko mag-vlog tayo para naman makahilaw ako sa inyo. So ayan. So, ito yung food nila. Pero guys, yung punta talaga natin, yung food sa front. Pero gusto kong bumili ng to-go. Kasi mukhang masarap, oh. Ayan. Sige guys, let's go to the front. And look, oh, meron din silang parang puso. Austin, do you want anything? Or gusto mo doon tayo kakain sa night market? Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda. Nakakatuwa, no? Ang Westminster guys, yan yung city dito sa California na may pinakamaraming Vietnamese outside of Vietnam. So dito sila nag-relocate. Ayan, ang dami, oh. Gusto kong bumili ng egg roll guys. Bili nga tayo. Ayan. Guys, this is what it looks like. Yung ano nila. So far, wala pang masyadong tao kasi we got here like really early. So, ayun, Austin's there. Ayun. Guys, we're here. Andito na tayo sa night market ng mga Vietnamese night market. And so far, wala pang masyadong tao kasi we got here early. Inagahan namin ni Austin kasi mahirap yung parking. So, ito yung mga tinda nila. They have yung mga squid. Then they have like bananas. Mga ganyan. Pero guys, ang favorite ko, binabalik-balikan ko dito every year. Ito, yung barbecue nila, ang laki-laki guys. It's really worth it. So, bibili tayo ng barbecue. Austin, he went over there sa dulo at naghahanap pa siya ng ibang food na bibilhin. So anyways guys, ito pala Vietnamese egg rolls. Parang lumpiang Shanghai natin pero much bigger at saka it's a little bit different kasi may noodles yung loob and it's really really good. Tapos ito naman guys, yung barbecue pork nila, it's also good. Marinated din siya. And this one, first time ko siyang matry guys. Parang siyang pancake na merong shrimp and green onions and mint. And then, ito yung patis nila, like fish sauce na parang may water na may asukal. It's really good. So, I think you just put yung lettuce at saka yung mga pickled carrots or radish sa dyan and then you eat it. So, anyways guys, let's eat! Ayan, padami na ng padami yung mga tao. Usually, mamaya, it's gonna be so crowded that you can't you can't sit anymore kasi wala na yung upuan. So eto guys, kita nyo, as you can see, lahat karamihan Vietnamese, no? So ang galing naman nila, meron silang Vietnamese night market. Sana meron din tayong ganito, no? Na Filipino naman, na kasi sa totoo lang marami tayo, pero wala tayong ganito. Wala tayong mall na ang laki-laki talaga na masasabi mong Filipinos lang talaga. So I'm happy for them that they have this. I wish meron din tayo para yung mga Filipino, they can gather together and then magkaroon din tayo ng night market na mas showcase natin yung mga food natin kasi masarap ang Filipino food. So anyways guys, let's eat! Ewan ko nasa na si Austin. Yan naman guys, yan yung Vietnamese pizza nila. It's like that. Nakalagay yung sa rice paper. Parang may mga halong shrimp and veggies. Pagkatapos, ginigrill nila. Ayan. Tapos si Austin, tingnan nyo guys, may binili siya. Para siyang ano natin, para siyang suman na naka-wrap sa ostya. Ginawa nilang taco, siguro para hindi magkalat, no? Pakita mo Austin. Ayan guys, so para siyang suman na may coconut na nilagay sa ostya. How is it? Alam mo si Austin kasi guys, mahilig yan siya sa sticker rice, sa mga suman-suman na yan. So, bumibili yan. So, if you guys ever see Austin at gusto nyo bigyan ng pasalubong yan, bigyan nyo lang yan ng suman. Masayang-masaya na yan. Yung mga kakanin, yan. Favorite ni Austin yan. So, ayan pa guys. So, basically, yung mga binibenta nila dito, mga nasa $10 starting. $10 to $20. Tapos yung mga drink nila, di kaya bumili si Austin eh. Ito guys, ano, sorry. Mga nasa, ano, almost 500 ang isa. So ayan guys, may binili ako. This one is like almost 300 pesos ang isa. And it's ginatan with suman. With suman inside. Masarap, Austin. Masarap naman. So ayan. So yan lang guys. Ito lang yung tsura ng night market dito sa Little Saigon. We're gonna be here until next weekend and then that's it. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Ito yung itsura ng Vietnamese night market dito sa Westminster, California. Ang tawag nila sa area na to is Little Saigon. So ayan lang yung itsura nila guys. So anyways, wala, ayoko naman kayo ma-board. So just wanted to show you kung ano yung happenings namin ni Austin tonight, Friday night. Ayun nga, kumain dito. So nag-ano siya, he had some ubi shake. Yung ubi shake niya guys, almost 500 pesos. Ang mahal. Siyempre kasi night market and you know, so mas mahal siya. Hi! So ayun. So they have like lobsters dito, barbecue. They even have balot guys. No. They even have balot guys. Lobster style Austin. So ayan guys. Yung lobster nila guys, isang maliit. Almost 1,000 pesos. Dati no, less than 1,000 na bumili tayo. Ngayon 1,000 na. Ayan. So anyways guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you kung saan kami nagpunta. And I just want to say thank you very much to all the viewers na nagme-message sa akin, na nagtatanong kung nasaan ako. Andito lang ako guys. Very busy lang with work and then projects around the house and yun lang. So I don't want naman to vlog yung everyday life namin kasi it's gonna be boring. Trabaho lang. So since we went here ngayon, so ayan, nag-vlog ako. Ayan. So anyways guys, thank you for watching and I hope all is well. Shout out sa lahat ng solid followers since last year. I appreciate all of you and thank you very much for always having my back. And Austin, magbabay ka na sa kanila. Yes. Oy, si Austin representing. Talagang he's proud to be Filipino. May mga ibang half hindi proud na maging Filipino. Si Austin hindi, very proud yan. When you ask him, ano siya, alam mo, he just says, I'm Filipino. Hindi niya nasasabing he's half. So ayan guys, ito yung itsura niya. And tingnan pa natin kung ano pang meron doon. So anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching again. And I'll see you next time.